The Hypochlorous Company is changing the world for good by replacing old toxic products and methods with natural technologies. We're constantly delivering innovative technologies to harness the power of natural hypochlorous acid. Simply replace toxicity with natural stuff inside of your home and replace, the bleaches and the quaternary ammoniums and the alcohols and the peroxides that aren't good for us, our families to breathe in. Sit on the surfaces of things with this hypochlorous that actually is in, your white blood cells make this stuff. When it wants to stave off, bacterial and viral infections, your body has this in it already in saliva, tears,